Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Clerk authentication in iOS and Android, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process with Clerk authentication on iOS, start by installing the Clerk SDK. Open your project in Xcode. Navigate to your pod file and add the Clerk dependency. Run pod install in your terminal to install the SDK. Once the installation is complete, import Clerk in your app delegate file. Initialize the Clerk client in the application did finish launching method. Next, configure your Clerk application settings by providing your front-end API key. Now, let's move to the authentication flow. Create a new view controller for your login screen. In this view controller, add a text field for the email address and a password field. Include a sign-in button for user authentication. In the button's action handler, use Clerk's sign-in method. Pass the entered email and password to this method. Handle the success callback to transition the user to the main app screen. In case of an error, display an appropriate alert message. For Android, start by adding the Clerk SDK to your Gradle file. Sync your project to ensure the SDK is properly included. Next, initialize the Clerk client in your application class. Set your front-end API key in the client configuration. Create a new activity for your login process. In this activity, add input fields for email and password. Include a button for signing in. Implement the button's click listener using Clerk's sign-in method. Pass the user input to the sign-in method. Handle the result of the authentication process. If successful, navigate to your main activity. If there's an error, inform the user with a toast message. Ensure that you have implemented logout functionality in both platforms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.